Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how to use this citation Chicago Manual Style citation guide. As a history major, going to be teaching history classes. I'll have students write research papers, and so this will be one tool they can use to adequately cite their sources. And here at Hayes, in the history department, we use Chicago Manual Style over like MLA or APA. So this citation quick guide machine kind of goes over different ways of Chicago Manual Style, and what we use here is the notes and bibliography style and not this author date style. So we'll click on that, and over here on the right side they got different material that you can cite. And for instance, this right here is a book, and you can see there's the note style, short note style, and the bibliography entries. And the note style and short note style is what you would use in a paper and that you would add in your footnotes. And for instance, you would use this first when you first cite your book, but if you're going to cite it again, then you just use the shortened style, and that goes in the actual research paper. And these bibliography entries, and sorry, I had someone knock on my door. But anyways, back to what I was saying. The notes and short notes is what you'd use in the paper, and this bibliography entry is what you use in your annotated bibliography before you start your paper. And you can see there's differences between the two. But first, we'll go over the notes. What you first use in your notes, the first thing you're going to put is the author of the book, and you go in the notes. It's first name and last name first, and then you put a comma, the title of the book in italics, space, and in parentheses where it was published, who the publisher is, and the date it was published, while putting the colon here and the parenthesis here between the date and the publisher, and then parentheses, comma, and the pages that you use. And always finish your citations with a period. And the difference between the note style and the bibliography entries is when you are putting your author, it goes last name, first name with a comma in between, and instead of putting commas in between the author and the title, you use a period, and then italicize the title, period. Notice there's no parentheses here. It's just straight with commas still between the date and the publisher. And also notice there's no page number here. It's just a period. And so that's how you would cite a book. And there's like kind of similar if like with like say if I use a journal article, but I'll be using the title of the article, and then the title of the journal, and then the chapter and volume and when it was published. But it's still kind of similar to how the book was, you cite a book, and there's just all these different other types of material to source and how to do it.